Hey everybody, welcome back to Sync with Sarah. As you already read by the title, I am going to be making trash cookies with my best friend today, and we'll also be doing a best friend tag. So if you already don't know what trash cookies are, they're just normal cookies, but you can put in whatever you like to eat in it, like chips, chocolate, gems, anything. I swear it's delicious. Hello, Kelly!
Hi! So today we're gonna make junk cookies.
Oh!
Hey guys, it's me Kelly, and today I'm with Sarah. I'm gonna make trash cookies.
It's like it's Kelly's channel and I'm just like, oh hey, so nice to be here. Let's start. Okay, can you just give what is trash? What are trash
Right.
cookies?
So trash cookies are basically it's like a good cookie with everything. It has weird stuff too, like chips and Oreos and M&Ms. It's basically called a trash cookie because there's so much from different things in it, like a trash would have, like a trash bin would have. So that's kind of where trash cookies
It sounds
come from.
extremely disgusting. That was my first reaction to it.
But it actually tastes good. Like
Yeah, it
you
does.
don't-
It tastes really nice.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's start first. So what do we need to do? Oh yeah, before we start also, let me just make this clear. I might mess up and mine might not turn out and you might just end up seeing Kelly's because I'm not good at it at all and I don't know how the oven works.
This is like my third time making trash cookies, so it could
No, but
there's like
you
no
know
guarantee.
how everything works, but I don't. So
We're doing it together. It's gonna be fine.
so the last time we made it, I made it at her house, so it did turn out like nice.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm just the magic ingredient. So let's start first by adding in our butter, and we just want to cream our butter by itself, so it's nice.
So I'm just supposed to put the butter in the bowl.
Yeah, and just start mixing it.
We don't have to do something difficult now because I'll totally mess that up. I don't have help today from anybody.
I mean, yeah, no cheating this time. Okay, so let's just start mixing. So while that's mixing, shall we do a question?
Yeah, sure. You go first.
Okay. Who uses more sarcasm?
You can answer, you know.
I think honestly Sarah uses more sarcasm, and I'm just like, what do you mean? I'm like, oh shit, she's
Oh yeah,
sarcastic.
she gets hurt. Like sometimes I have to be so careful while I'm speaking because she's just like, ouch, you shouldn't have said that.
I mean, I'm not like actually hurt, I'm just like as a joke hurt, but yeah. Sometimes
No,
I
she's
don't get jokes.
seriously hurt. Like you should see her in school when people are like cracking jokes and she's just like,
I made a joke here. Now we're gonna like add in our sugar and cream it with our butter. And the word is cream. It's the magic.
oh yeah, also I think I totally forgot to tell you guys that Kelly is a really nice chef. And she's like really good at this stuff. Like really good.
I disagree.
Yeah,
I have a
she's
long
just
way
gonna
to go,
disagree.
But I'm
But
started. Sarah, from your side, let's hear a question.
okay. Who's better at maths?
She had to do this one. Okay, I have to say, recently, I've been the teacher. And
Yeah,
it feels
because
good.
recently because we were doing a chapter which I didn't know. That is why you are the teacher.
Yeah, but Sarah is better at teaching.
God, I have this on record. I'm just gonna cut this part out
This is
and
gonna
make
be
a
used against
like make
my-
I'll make a sticker. Hello.
I'm not done.
What are you doing?
It needs to be अच्छे से mixed in.
Then did I not do it right?
So the thing is, guys, I'm kind of using brown sugar just because I like brown sugar more, and Sarah's using white sugar. So our colors might differ. It's just the consistency you should, be careful of. So mine is kind of a brown right now. Sarah, what color is yours?
Mine is off-white.
Okay. Well, that's good. That's cool. Now let's do our next step, which is cracking our egg. And this was so fun last time. Because Sarah, I don't think you know how to crack an egg.
Okay, that's not true, but I just mess it up sometimes. I think.
While you were talking, I cracked my egg.
I'm not that fast, and I think I'm totally.
You're going to mess it up, so that's that. Okay, so I'm just gonna try.
My Oreos are eggy.
Wait, you added your Oreos?
No. My Oreo is next to the bowl, and oh god, ew.
Well, I'm adding my egg to my mix. So
few
we had a
issues.
few casualties, but I
Are we
think
supposed
we're
to
okay
mix
now.
it with the mixer
So,
thingy?
yeah, I mean it's online. What? Yeah, mix the egg with. Okay, now we're gonna slowly, little by little, put in our flour.
Okay.
Oopsie, iceberg. Also, just add in your salt and baking powder right now.
Okay. How much salt do I need?
Dude, I sent you the recipe. 1 teaspoon of both.
Okay, cool. 1 teaspoon.
And we're gonna mix our flour and stuff at a very low speed, because either do this with your hand or at a very low speed, because you've incorporated air throughout this whole process and you don't want to lose that air, otherwise that fluffiness might go. Yes, so what's your question?
Okay, so okay, yeah, it's a classic question. Like, how and where did we meet?
Okay, it
We
was
might have a different
class
story.
7. No, it was definitely class 7.
Basically, she's not explaining it well at all. So we were friends, like we met in the beginning of class 7, but then we became friends when in English class we had to do a play, and it was just all of a sudden she was like, oh, the teacher was like, we just completed the chapter, now we're just gonna do a play. And we had no idea how to do anything, and we were screaming and shouting, and we had rubbers as nuts for the play, and just everything was very messed up.
Oh
and I think
wait, no, that's not our first time. The first time we actually became friends was when you had to do the first assembly part, and she was so bad at it.
I wasn't bad at it. Okay, so that is another time when we had our first class assembly, and Kelly was asked to polish me and how I speak and how I'm supposed to like say everything. And yeah, that was fun. We would spend a lot of time reading the part and stuff together.
Yeah, because she just wouldn't get it right.
No, that's not true. I would. She was trying to make me learn it, which I didn't. In the end, I just read from the paper.
Oh, it's mixed in. Sarah, is yours mixed in? It's mixed in.
I'm not. Yeah.
Okay, can you show them yours?
Yeah, this is just it's like doughy, but I can still see the white powder. I think I look really bad because it's really hot.
It is. I'm sweating.
Shelly has a fan in the kitchen. It's not very true for her.
Let's put in
What
our
do we do now?
chocolate now.
So
Let's
we
add in
put
our
in-
chocolate.
Okay.
So we have some Dairy Milk, the best chocolate. Not really. I actually disagree with that, but
Why? So if you don't like Dairy Milk, what do you like? Why?
Kit Kat and Dairy Milk Oreo is the best. I won't disagree with that.
This
Gems.
is really.
Just eat one.
Oh
Let's
yeah.
eat one.
I had gems after a really
Eat one.
long time.
Blue one. Eat a blue one. Cheers. In class 4, what did the other one do?
Oh.
I can answer this one. In class 4, Sarah wanted to be a YouTuber as a
Oh my god, yes, I did. In like class 4, it was like I wanted to be a YouTuber like so bad. I still remember we had a question in class 4, what do you want to become when you grow up? I wrote a YouTuber and the teacher didn't give me marks for it. I was hurt.
Okay, so you
I
can
don't think
answer.
it's a
What did
secret.
I want to be when I was in class 4?
Oh, a chef?
No!
What?
I kind of wanted to be a writer, and that
A
didn't work out.
writer?
Yeah, I left the idea a year later.
Will you put something in?
Secret ingredient?
Yeah, it's not really a secret.
Yeah, I already said it in the beginning. But it's better if you use salted classic one, because you know you just
I
don't
didn't
want
exactly
your
get the
cookies to be
classic salted
spicy.
ones.
Oh shit! If you're making this recipe, use the classic salted because you don't want
Yeah,
spicy
that's
chips.
obviously going to be better because like it's just normally salted.
Yeah, I mean you
Use the
really
yellow
don't want
one.
spicy cookies.
So this is what my batter looks like.
I already showed them mine. I think mine looks better. Oh, let's try a little. So everybody knows you're supposed to eat cookie batter plain.
Okay.
Good piece here.
How is it? How is it?
So good.
Really? It is that good? I really hope
It's
my
so
oven
good.
works or something. So this is my oven, but I don't exactly know how to like use it and how the buttons work.
The first time they successfully used it was because of me.
Yeah, it's true.
So we have our like cookie dough balls ready. This is gonna go at 150 to 180 for
So
about
for people like
20
me,
to 30
yeah,
minutes.
175 exists. Like Kelly was so shocked when she realized I didn't have the 180 in my oven, but it's okay. 175 does exist.
Yeah, 170 is like good. You can do a little bit above or below that. And we're back.
Yeah, I think can we try already?
Honestly, I can't resist.
They
I
look
just
like
want to try
really
one.
good.
They look.
Uh,
I mean, by now you have.
I was like, what? Okay, let's try. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Let's try one.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers.
They're really good. You wanna try? It's my sister. Give a taste test. It's a taste test. Tell us how it is. It is, I know, right? It's good. See? My sister likes it too. It's really nice. It's really nice.
It's honestly amazing.
It's, I
know
didn't
people
expect
say
it
this
to
on
be this
shows
nice
and
the last
YouTube
time
videos,
too.
but it tastes
But
amazing.
the chips and stuff actually taste really good with the sweet, like the sweet chocolate and stuff.
How do you know?
So that is kind of the end of the video. I think I'm really happy with how these turned out.
They taste amazing.
You have nothing to say. Yeah, they do taste amazing. I think it sounds disgusting like chips and stuff, but I'm telling you, it's actually really yummy and you must try it.
Yeah, and the recipe, I don't know if Sarah's in the mood, she'll put it in the description, and y'all should really try it out. 'cause
Yeah, okay, I will.
It's super nice.
So, and these cookies
Thanks for
are-
having me over.
I mean, yeah, you were going to teach me how to make these, of course. And I'll definitely recommend trying. These are really nice. Thanks a lot, Kelly, for teaching us how to make this. I'm still eating. If you want Kelly more often on my videos, do comment. Subscribe if you liked the video.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me.
But okay, thanks for watching. Bye.